In this video, we are going to study about roots and surds and few important points about roots and surds. Okay, what are roots and surds? The expressions such as under root of 4, under root of 144, that is the values written in the square root sign which have exact values are called roots. Okay, so 121 is a root, okay, and its value is equal to 11. The expressions such as root 2, root 3 which cannot have numerically exact values are called surds. So this value root 2 and root 3, they do not have exact value. Okay, so the values which are written under the radical sign which do not have an exact value are called surds. For example, root 2 is equal to 1.41421356 and so on. This value is calculated with the help of a scientific calculator. Okay, but if we use a supercomputer, then we can solve it to millions, million value, trillion value. Okay, but we cannot solve it to an exact value. Okay, so these values are better left like this, or in other words, root 2 cannot be solved to an exact value. So these values are called surds. Okay, notable and conceptual points about surds. Surds represents irrational numbers. Okay, because anything like root 2 cannot be expressed in the form of p upon q, or they do not have any exact value, so they are irrational numbers. Okay, and we know that irrational numbers have exact values, or they can be represented in the form of p upon q. Okay, now this value is written like this, a radical sign, and we place n here. This is known as the nth root and is called the surd of order n. Okay, so this is cube root of a and it is the surd of order 3. Okay, the root of order n can be represented two ways. First way is this, that in the radical sign we place a number, okay, and secondly it is represented like this. The nth root is equal to a to the power of 1 upon n. Nth root is equal to a to the power of 1 upon n, and it can be represented in terms of radical sign like this. Okay, if nth root of any number can be solved to an exact value, then it will not be called a surd. Okay, now we know that 16 to the power of 1 by 4 or 4th root of 16 can be solved as equal to 2. Okay, if you don't know how this comes as equal to 2, you can just keep in mind that its values can be solved equal to 2. So this will not be a surd. Okay, on the other hand, 4th root of 17, that is 17 to the power of 1 by 4, or this value is a surd because it cannot be solved to an exact value. Okay, so these are the points which I want that you should remember about surds. Okay.